Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So entertainment is a key feature of the Model 3, and when it comes to entertainment, Spotify is one of the features that people love to use on a daily basis. However, Spotify on the Model 3 works slightly differently to how you might expect, so let's take a closer look. The first thing you'll notice about Spotify on the Model 3 is that if you bought a long-range or performance model, the car will ask you whether you want to sign in with your own premium Spotify account or use the Tesla's account. If you choose the Tesla account, then the car will log in with its own premium Spotify account, which enables you to stream any song you like without having to deal with ads or interruptions. The main screen of the Spotify app is your library. Here you'll see 5 menu options for your songs, albums, artists, stations and playlists. The next screen is the featured playlists section, which is a standard Spotify curated list of playlists with new music that they think you'd be interested in. You can simply swipe down through the list as you would on your phone or tablet and select any playlist to view the songs inside. If you want to listen to any song, simply tap on the song and it will start playing in the media player at the top of the screen. If you want to add this playlist to the playlist folder in your Spotify library, then simply click the follow button. If we go back to our library and check the playlists folder, we can see that the new playlist has been added successfully. The next section is new releases, which displays a list of the latest popular albums on Spotify. Again, you can scroll through the list and select any album you'd like by tapping on it. Inside, you'll see a list of songs which you can play by tapping on any song you like. Since in this case we're looking at an album rather than a playlist, you'll notice that the follow button has been replaced by 2 new buttons. If you click the save button, then the album will be added to the albums folder in your library, and all the songs within the album will be added to the songs folder. You'll also notice that the artist who created the album will be added to the artist folder. If you click the button beside the save button, it will create a radio station of songs based on the album, which can be viewed in the stations folder in your library. Last up is the genres and moods section. This is my favourite section of the app, since you can just select whatever music you're in the mood for, and Spotify generally have some really good suggestions. Again, the interface is very easy and intuitive to use, and is basically the same as what you'd find on your phone or tablet. If you find a song that you like, you can click the plus button in the media control area, which will add it to the songs folder in your library, and add the artist to the artists folder. If you click on an artist, you'll see a list of their latest and most popular songs, in addition to a list of their albums and indeed some suggestions for other artists that Spotify thinks you might like. You also have the option to follow the artist or create a radio station based on their music, which again will be added to the stations folder in your library. One unfortunate downside of the Tesla app is that it won't let you create new playlists or even add songs to existing playlists. The only thing it will let you do is follow public playlists, as you saw before. To get around this, in my case, I just use the songs folder as my makeshift Tesla playlist by adding songs on an individual basis using the plus button I showed previously. To remove songs, simply tap the tick icon and it will be removed from the list. So everything we've seen up to now has been done using the default Tesla Premium Spotify account that comes with a premium connectivity pack on the long-range or performance Model 3s. But what happens if you want to log in with your own Spotify account? Well, the first thing you'll note is that if you don't have a Spotify Premium subscription, the app will not allow you to sign in with a free Spotify account. If you do have a premium subscription, then when you sign in, you're presented with exactly the same interface as before, with the only exception being that now all of your library folders contain the playlists, songs, and artists you've added over the years on your own Spotify account. The rest of the functionality is exactly the same as it was with the Tesla account, and you still can't create playlists or add songs to existing playlists. So if we look at the key difference between signing in with the Tesla account and signing in with your own personal account, the main advantage of using your personal account is that you can share playlists you made on your phone, laptop or tablet with the car's playlist section, whereas if you sign in with the Tesla account, there is no way to share playlists with the car, since the car's account information is hidden from you. In terms of searching for specific songs, albums or artists, you can use the built-in search bar and simply type in the name of the content you're looking for, and the results will appear straight away. If you're driving and don't want to look at a keyboard, you can also just use the voice commands to play whatever music you like. While we're on the topic of entertainment, we can also have a quick look at the radio on the Model 3. If you navigate to the radio and select Stations, you'll see a list of all the radio stations currently within range of the car. These stations represent both digital and FM radio stations. If you like a particular station, you can click the star button to add it to your list of favourite stations. You can also manually tune into stations using the direct tune function, which lets you type in the frequency of the station you want to receive. However, in my case, I much prefer to use the internet radio service provided through the TuneIn app, which lets you listen to almost any radio station in the world, including RTE and BBC radio, and also tends to feature much higher and more reliable broadcast quality than the standard FM radio service. Finally, if you're looking to adjust the audio quality and performance, the settings menu gives you full control over the 15-speaker audio system, so you can customize the sound to your liking. You also have the option to change the balance of the sound output by simply dragging around the cursor to where you want the audio to be loudest, while the options menu enables you to customize the immersive sound setting. I always leave this on the high setting, as I actually do find that it provides a subtle yet noticeable improvement in sound quality. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found it useful and informative, and if so, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to stay up to date with my latest videos and also some other Tesla news, then you can also find me on Twitter at M3PRT. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.